In this video, you'll learn how to set a preferred currency and adjust currency formatting in HubSpot. This is really useful if you work with deals, quotes, or reports and want your numbers to display in a consistent and familiar way. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to change your main currency and how to fine-tune how that currency looks across your account. Let's start right from the HubSpot dashboard. First, look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. On that bar, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click that settings icon. Anytime you want to make changes that affect how your HubSpot account behaves, this is where you'll begin. Once you're in the settings area, you'll notice a menu running down the left side of the page. This is the left sidebar, and it organizes all of your settings into different sections. Here, you'll want to navigate to the section labeled Account Settings. When you click on that, it will expand to show more options. From there, select Account Defaults. This is where HubSpot keeps the overall defaults that apply across your entire account, including language, time zone, and in this case, currency. After you've opened Account Defaults, look along the top of the main settings panel for different tabs. One of these will be the Currency tab. Click on the Currency tab to move into the area where you can manage how currencies are set up and displayed. On this Currency tab, you'll see the currencies that are already configured for your account. If you're adding a new currency, you'll find a button labeled Add Currency. Clicking this will let you introduce another currency option into your account. This can be useful if your organization sells in multiple regions or needs to track revenue in more than one currency. If your preferred currency is already listed and you just want to adjust it, you don't need to add a new one. Instead, hover your mouse over the existing currency row. When you hover, an edit option should appear. Click edit to update the settings for that particular currency. Next, you'll choose your preferred currency. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Preferred Currency. Open the drop-down and select the currency you want to use as your main or default currency. This is the currency that will typically be used in deals and financial reports unless you specify otherwise. Once you've set the preferred currency, you can refine how it appears. Find the option for currency format. This setting controls the visual layout of your currency values, such as where the symbol appears, which symbol is used, and how decimals and separators are displayed. For example, some regions use a period for decimals and a comma for thousands, while others reverse that. Choose the format that matches your organization's standards or the region you primarily work in. Taking a moment to get this right will help avoid confusion when reading amounts in your pipelines and reports. When you're happy with your preferred currency and the formatting choice, the last step is to save your changes. Look for the Save button and click it. HubSpot will apply these settings, and from now on, your data will reflect your chosen currency and formatting. That's all you need to do. You've set your preferred currency and customized how it appears, helping ensure that everyone on your team sees consistent, clear financial information throughout HubSpot.